for some fun. Let's race!
The first thing guests will see when they come into LEGO Ferrari Build and Race is our life-size Ferrari 296 GTS, where they can actually sit behind the wheel and feel like they are actually driving a LEGO Ferrari.
So our life-size, one-of-a-kind LEGO Ferrari 296 GTS is made from more than 424,000 LEGO pieces. It took a team of designers, builders, and animators over 1,850 hours to work on.
Now, as they go into the attraction, they're also going to be able to then build their own LEGO Ferrari and race that on our test tracks that we have in the attraction. And finally, they'll be able to take that same vehicle, put it into our digital environment, where they can now race that Ferrari on a track where it is laid out in a very similar format to what the actual Ferrari team uses to test out their vehicles.
This is amazing cutting-edge technology we work with Dimensional Innovations to create. You can digitally scan your car and race it on the same racetrack they use for the cars in Italy to test their Ferraris. The weather conditions change, so you can change your tire pressure, you can change your engine velocity, you can change your license plate frame, you can put colorful stickers on it. It's all customizable to what you want your LEGO Ferrari race car to be. LEGO Ferrari Build and Race is like everything else here at LEGOLAND Florida Resort. It's interactive and it's designed for families with children ages 2 to 12. But we really want you to use your creativity, your imagination, and come on out and build. And the greatest thing is that it's unique every time, because just like when you're building at home, you're building a LEGO car and you can race it against your family members, you can hear you racing against other guests, but it's a different experience every time because you get to build whatever it is that you want to create, and that's what we're trying to inspire kids to do. LEGOLAND Florida Resort is a multi-day destination. We want you to come on out, stay the night in one of our 3 hotels, and experience the more than 50 rides, shows, and attractions. You can do this by getting a child's ticket for $29 with a full paid adult ticket now through mid-June.